Hi my beautiful and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Ramadan starts. You started your fasting or not?
Yeah. Today, everything about Ramadan tips.
When you're starting to fast, you need to concentrate more on stretching or low intense workout.
All your questions what coming in my direct, I just want to make it clear fully in one video. When I came here to Dubai, it was 2016, and before that I didn't know anything about fasting. I didn't know how it looks. Some of my girls in the room was girls from Kazakhstan. They were actually fasting because they was Muslim. So when I saw it first day. I saw the mood down, the power low and everything, and I'm thinking I should try to fast for 1 week. In that time I still didn't have this much experience about diet and stuff. I got my diet experience in 2018, but before that I didn't know anything about that. So in that time I just wanted to try. And when I saw first day how everyone was like literally suffer from not having food or drinks, and after 7 o'clock I saw how they eating their dates, like it was totally strange and interesting for me. I tried it fasting for 1 week. I gained 2 kg. My headache was always killing me. Actually, I was working from 7 a.m. in the morning till midnight, sometimes till 1 o'clock in the night, but I still was like sleepy, always sleepy. I couldn't. In the middle of the day I should take one full train from Marina till Mediv City Center. It's like full Dubai. It takes 1 hour 15 minutes. After change for the bus 15 minutes, and after each work, and it is in the middle of the day when you cannot drink water, when you cannot chew gums or have any snacks. Oh yeah, it was pretty tough. So for 1 week I tried it. Headache killed me. I wanted water all the time. After even I didn't want drink, but at least I want my head to gone to take pills and rest, sleep, because I don't have power. So girls, I understand how you feel. Even that I'm not fasting, I'm not preferring this kind of lifestyle. With all my years experience and hundreds of clients, girls who was fasting, I can tell you my best advices. Okay girls, first, training. When the best time for training? My advice, to train after your food, after you already ate, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours after. Some of my girls eating, sleeping 1 hour and after 1-2 hours, and after we having training. Some of my girls training directly before iftar, but only if they doesn't have day work, so they can sleep in the middle of day, after wake up, do workout and directly eat. Some of my girls like to train after last meal, after suhoor. So like you just ate, it's around 4:30 in the morning, and you training, later then you go and sleep, for example. Depends also from your work. You should sit down, put yourself schedule, remove all not necessary stuff and keep only important deals, meetings and everything what you should do during the month. This is the best way. So you will not get distracted from other stuff. You will exactly know what to do. You will prepare your schedule for the food, and you will not get stress from, oh, what I should do, oh, I don't have anything from free in the fridge, or I don't know what will be my calories intake and everything. So better to sit and prepare your schedule before. So diet. If you still was eating this kind of calories, you're gonna continue with the same way. If you was eating 4 times, you can continue eat 4 times. Doesn't matter that you waking up, having your snacks or having your meals and go and sleep again. It doesn't make too much difference. So anyway, in Ramadan and fasting, your metabolism is gonna slow down. Also, sugar inside your blood gonna go high, insulin level. So too many things I'm not preferring and I'm not gonna advise, but If you go fasting, you're fasted and you should be prepared for it. I will let down my preferable diet. I still prefer keep 4 meals. And I will ask you to get casein. What is the casein? Casein is the same protein, but the product which makes you full during more period, because it's slow adjust one. So it's same as a protein powder. Yeah, you can buy in a pharmacy or you can order online and have it as a drink. You can add it to your meals and have it as a last meal. So when you gonna fast, you will not feel so hungry. If you keep in 4 meals, so for example, first you break and fast, the last meal suhoor, and in the middle you will have 2 meals, or you can call it 2 snacks. It can be small amounts of something. Even when you're sleeping, you can wake up, have it, and go sleep again. Don't afraid products with high glycemic index, because it's what you need exactly right now. You need to add something small, not so big, and fast reactive to make yourself more powerful. Like, it can be dates, it can be bananas, it can be anything what will make blood sugar high, so you will not feel tired, you will not feel sleepy or other. But don't overeat, because if you will overeat this kind of stuff, you're gonna feel sleepy. Opposite, a lot of carbs in one intake, you're gonna, oh, I'm tired, I wanna sleep, or whatever. So small amounts of something with high glycemic index will always be plus for your diet. Try to keep more vegetables and protein, more. You need it. You need for your adjust system. Even when your tummy full, add extra greens, extra 150 gram of greens, just to make yourself more full and to adjust faster. I will tell you, your power will go very low. Like, you want it or you don't want it, it's still gonna be like this, because come on, you're fasting for too many hours. You don't have this much energy as in usual normal days when you can drink your water. Here is opposite. Here is power low, but you still can work out. Just you need to concentrate more on specific parts. For example, in one day, just make 1 small muscles, 5 exercise, less repetition, less weight. Just do it. Just slowly. Concentrate on your stretching, on your mobilities. Like, make everything slow, intense, which will help to keep you active. Reduce cardio. Still drink a lot of water. You still need it. You can wake up, drink, go sleep again. If you need to eat, but this is your sleeping time, also wake up, eat, and go sleep again. No problem. Still, you need to understand that metabolism will slow down with these factors or without. So later you will get it back. Maybe 1 week after Ramadan finish, you will get back to normal schedule, but still you will not lose any of your shape. You will be prepared. Girls, feel your body. Listen to your brain and to your body. Start to be friends with it. If you want something, you should do it. But if it's not proper, just keep it for timing when you will not fast. Then don't plan your fitness trips during Ramadan. Do it later, for example. Don't plan hiking or climbing or going ski with your friends during Ramadan. Just keep it for the other time and enjoy it more. Try to rest enough. Try to sleep enough. Try to keep yourself motivated for workout. Try to keep yourself positive. I know power goes low. You wanna sleep. You might think that, oh, I don't need even work out, I will do it later. It's the same as to start your diet from Monday or tomorrow. It's the same. No, still you can work out. Still you can do your diet. Still you can keep your meals clean. Still you can count your calories. Just keep it up. Don't let your brain affect you. and affect your body. Ramadan starts and I already had 2 conversations because of low power with 2 of my girls. One of them, she told me, oh Yul, I don't want to work out, I think we can keep it after Ramadan. I'm like, excuse me? Stand up from your bed and move. Some of us need this push, right? And she's like, I'm like, stand up, I'm waiting you in the gym in 1 hour. She's like, okay. And after workout, she was like, Yul, you was right. I feel myself super happy. We didn't do crazy workout. We did low intense, with stretching. After did some exercise for our legs. I'm not asking her to do cardio or something. It's Ramadan, you don't need it. And she was super happy after. So think about, do you want to lay down in your bed and just keep all Ramadan timing like this? Become even with slower metabolism, it's already slowed down and you wanna make it even more? No, girl, stop, really. Like, you should keep yourself motivated. And with my second girl was like, Yul, I feel myself super good. If not our schedule in workout, I will not come here to the gym. I'm like, how do you feel? You just ate like 2 hours ago, you fast all day. She's like, oh Yul, I slept 1 hour and now I'm really happy and have a lot of power to go and do my workout. I'm happy to hear that.
It's a big compliment with Yulia because she's the best coach. And if you need diet program, online, everything, she's the best. Wallah, the best.
So sometimes schedules, not sometimes, always schedules and pushing from beginning, from start, helps us. Avoid coffee. Coffee makes us more thirsty later. Coffee makes us dehydrated fast. Really, like, I would like to keep coffee on the side. You will suffer after later in the middle of the day asking me, Yul, why I'm so thirsty. Normally I'm not feeling myself like this, but today I'm super thirsty. I'm like asking, it's always about that. So I'm asking, okay, tell me, what did you eat? Oh, I ate this. I'm like, okay, so in food was okay. So what did you drink? And she's like, oh, coffee. Then how many? 3 already? Babe, of course you're gonna feel yourself like thirsty because coffee dehydrates us too much. If you actually change your lifestyle timing in Ramadan, if you have your work or you can be awake during night time, maybe up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, after sleep up to 12 o'clock in the day, if you can do it, then it's gonna be easier for you and you are more lucky. Put your weekly schedule, understand what is in your priorities. Priority on the first place during Ramadan. Low power needs concentrate only on your priorities. So when you did it, understand that everything about food. So if there is no food, also no power. If there is no food, there is no mood. And also during the time when you break in the fast, you should see what you are eating. If you will eat clean, if you will eat the products which makes you happy. So always keep some small cheat during the break in the fast. If you will control this kind of stuff, you're gonna stay positive all your Ramadan timing. Keep a lot of fresh vegetables, keep high proteins, make yourself full by salads, huge one with a lot of protein, a lot of vegetables inside, and take some small stuff what you really want, because cravings in our mouths, not in our tummy. Our cravings here, we are crave of taste. We're not craving to be fat. We just crave to feel some interesting inside our mouths. So keep it always. Don't suffer. If you want something, try it. This is more important thing. Okay girls, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this tips gonna help you to pass this Ramadan time and very easy for you with a lot of smiles, positive energy. Put likes if you like this video, subscribe at my YouTube channel, and I'm gonna see you very soon.